Welcome back to another video. Foldable phones have come a long way. A few years ago, they felt like experimental gadgets, but today they're becoming serious alternatives to traditional flagship smartphones. And that's exactly what the Oppo Find N6 is trying to prove. After spending some time looking at what this phone offers, I can confidently say that Oppo has created one of the most complete foldable experiences we've seen so far. The first thing that stands out is the design. When the phone is folded, it feels surprisingly normal in your hand. It's slim, premium, and comfortable to use. Unlike some foldables that feel bulky, the Find N6 feels like a phone you could genuinely use every day. Open it up, and you're greeted by a stunning large display. Watching videos, browsing social media, reading documents, or even multitasking feels much better on this screen. The display is bright, smooth, and incredibly immersive. One of the biggest improvements is the crease. It's still there if you look for it, but during normal use it almost disappears into the background. That's a huge step forward for foldable technology. Now, performance. The Find N6 offers flagship-level performance that excels in gaming and demanding multitasking. Its standout feature is the large display, which significantly boosts productivity by enabling seamless, side-by-side app usage that makes returning to a standard smartphone difficult. The cameras are another strong point. Oppo's partnership with Hasselblad continues to deliver excellent results. Photos look detailed, colors are natural, and low-light performance is impressive. Whether you're taking everyday shots, portraits, or zoom photos, the camera system consistently performs at a flagship level. For content creators, video quality is equally impressive, with sharp footage and reliable stabilization. Battery life is also surprisingly good for a foldable. You can comfortably get through a full day of normal use, and when you do need to charge, Oppo's fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. So what's the verdict? The Oppo Find N6 doesn't feel like a phone that's showing off new technology. Instead, it feels like a mature flagship device that happens to fold. You get a premium design, an incredible display, powerful performance, excellent cameras, strong battery life, and one of the best multitasking experiences available on any smartphone today. If you've been waiting for a foldable that feels ready for everyday use, the Oppo Find N6 might be exactly what you've been looking for. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.